Welcome to Rack Connect. Every tournament organizer faces a lot of difficulties while organizing a tournament. Smash away your worries, Rack Connect Tournament Solution is here. Watch this video to learn more about the software. Create your ideal tournament with a click. Start by clicking on the Create Tournament button and feed the basic information about your event. Add your tournament venue. Select the events you want and add the prizes for the events. We all love prizes, isn't it? Now comes the technical part of the tournament. Select the time slots to schedule matches, put the average match duration, score setting of each event, and all your other checks. You can also do the draw settings and add officials for your event because we emphasize on careful planning. Congratulations, your dream event is created now. This page is your key to success. You will find all the information about the tournament, court usage, statistics, and schedule of each event. You can access all the important functions through the screen. Your event deserves careful planning, and we make this easier for you. Send real-time updates to players, parents, and coaches to let them know when and where to be with comfort and ease. You can also promote your tournament to a larger audience. The success of any tournament depends on the number of players and the ease by which we can manage them. You can add players to an event manually through the Add Player option. Adding entries one by one is very time-taking. The Import Player feature simplifies this difficult task. The organizer can add all the players to an event at once. Rather than adding an event manually for a player for another event, the organizer can use the Copy Player option to add one or many players to different events. All the players' information can be seen on the players list. You can even edit or delete players at any stage. Draw creation is surely the most tedious and hectic task of a tournament. But guess what? Your tournament worries are now ours. You can either create a draw manually or automatically. Use the club separation rule. Give seeding to the top players. Click on next and your draw is ready. You can swap player positions. There is also an option to add, delete, or edit the entries. Lastly, download and print the draw to share it with players, parents, and coaches. After creating the draws, schedule matches according to the time slots created earlier. This can be done in three ways. Either you can schedule a single match, or one round, or even schedule the complete event together. There is also an option to clear the schedule at any given time. This will give you full flexibility and a chance to correct any errors. So here is the last stage of a successful tournament. Download and print the score sheets according to your selected preferences, be it day, time, venue, and other details. Feed the score of each match to track the performance of every player in the event as well as the tournament. In the matches section, you can see the scheduled matches, the not scheduled matches, and even the finished matches, along with the winners of each match. After the end of the event or the tournament, you can even download the results.